Samsung may be preparing a major change for the Galaxy Z Fold 9, and this time, the upgrade could focus on something many people thought Samsung had already solved: the durability and design of foldable displays. After the record-breaking success of the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung now has a difficult task. The company needs to make its next generation of foldables exciting enough to keep people interested, especially as competition continues to grow. According to new reports, Samsung is already working on a new display technology that could make the Galaxy Z Fold 9 tougher and easier to fold. The technology is reportedly called CTG, or Center-Etched Thin Glass. It is also being referred to as Hybrid UTG, which stands for ultra-thin glass. The basic idea is actually quite interesting. Instead of making the entire cover glass equally thin, Samsung could make only the center section, where the phone folds, thinner. The rest of the glass would remain thicker. Samsung a useful combination of flexibility and strength. The thinner center section would allow the display to fold more easily, while the thicker areas could provide better rigidity and durability. In simple terms, Samsung could be trying to make the folding part of the screen more flexible without making the entire display weaker. But there is a problem. CTG is still considered a fairly new technology, and Samsung reportedly has several challenges to solve before it can be produced on a large scale. One of the biggest concerns is the surface of the display. Because material is removed from the center section of the cover glass, the screen could potentially develop an uneven surface. From certain angles, it might not look completely flat. That could be a serious issue for Samsung. Foldable phones have already improved significantly, and users now expect these expensive devices to look and feel as polished as regular smartphones. So will CTG actually make it into the Galaxy Z Fold 9? At this point, there is no guarantee. Reports suggest Samsung is accelerating its work on next-generation foldable technology, but the company may not decide whether to use CTG until around the fourth quarter of this year. The timing is especially important because competition in the foldable market is becoming much stronger. Apple is expected to enter the foldable smartphone market with its first foldable iPhone, reportedly called the iPhone Ultra. That means Samsung will have even more pressure to show why its foldables deserve attention, and the foldable market itself is expected to keep growing. One recent Counterpoint research analysis predicts that global foldable smartphone shipments could pass 100 million units, with growth approaching 30% year over year. That growth also shows why durability matters so much. Even though foldable phones have become more advanced, some people are still hesitant to buy them because they worry about how long the display and hinge will last. This is where technologies like CTG could become important. If Samsung can create a stronger display without making the phone harder to fold, it could make foldables more practical for everyday use. Samsung is already moving in this direction with tougher components, including the flex titanium hinge used in the Galaxy Z Fold 8. If the company can combine that stronger hinge with a more durable display, future foldables could become much more than an interesting new type of phone. They could eventually become the preferred choice for more everyday users. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 has already been a major success for Samsung, with some markets reporting record-breaking pre-orders. But the arrival of Apple's foldable iPhone could change the competition dramatically. Why the Galaxy Z Fold 9 will need more than a new design or small improvements. If Samsung can successfully develop, manufacture, and use CTG technology, it could give the Galaxy Z Fold 9 a meaningful advantage. The big question is whether it will become the defining upgrade of the next generation, or simply a small improvement. For now, nothing is confirmed. But if Samsung manages to make foldable displays stronger, more reliable, and easier to use, the Galaxy Z Fold 9 could take another important step toward making foldable phones a normal part of everyday life.